MBA crash course on social entrepreneurship and sustainable business models. Introduction. In today's rapidly changing world, the importance of social entrepreneurship and sustainable business models cannot be overstated. This MBA crash course aims to provide a comprehensive overview of these topics, exploring their significance, showcasing inspiring examples, and outlining the top 12 social entrepreneurship and sustainable business models. By the end of this course, you will have a deeper understanding of how businesses can drive positive social and environmental impact while remaining financially viable. Part 1. Social Entrepreneurship. Understanding social entrepreneurship. Social entrepreneurship involves applying entrepreneurial principles and strategies to create innovative solutions to social, cultural, or environmental challenges. It is driven by a mission to address societal issues while creating sustainable business models. Stories and examples. A. Grameen Bank. Founded by Nobel laureate Muhammad Yunus, Grameen Bank provides microcredit to empower individuals in poverty, enabling them to start small businesses and improve their livelihoods. B. Tom's Shoes. With their 1-for-1 model, Tom's Shoes donates a pair of shoes to a person in need for every pair purchased, combining profit-making with social impact. Key principles of social entrepreneurship. A. Identifying social problems. Social entrepreneurs identify pressing social issues and develop innovative solutions to address them. B. Stakeholder engagement. Collaboration with stakeholders, including beneficiaries, communities, and partners, is crucial to creating sustainable change. C. Measuring impact. Effective social entrepreneurs establish metrics to measure and evaluate their impact, ensuring accountability and transparency. Part 2. Sustainable business models. The importance of sustainability. Sustainable business models integrate social, environmental, and economic considerations, aiming to create long-term value for all stakeholders. They strive to minimize negative impacts and contribute positively to society and the environment. Stories and examples. A. Patagonia. Patagonia, an outdoor apparel company, incorporates sustainability into its business model by promoting fair trade, using recycled materials, and encouraging customers to repair and recycle their products. B. Interface. Interface, a carpet manufacturer, implemented sustainable practices by reducing its carbon footprint and waste, and introducing products made from recycled materials. Key elements of sustainable business models. A. Triple bottom line. Sustainable businesses focus on achieving positive outcomes across 3 dimensions: people, planet, and profit. B. Circular economy. Embracing circularity, sustainable business models aim to minimize waste, maximize resource efficiency, and promote the reuse and recycling of materials. C. Collaboration and partnerships. Sustainable businesses often collaborate with stakeholders, NGOs, and government agencies to address complex sustainability challenges. Part 3. Top 12 Social Entrepreneurship and Sustainable Business Models. B Corporation. Companies certified as B Corporations meet rigorous standards of social and environmental performance, accountability, and transparency. Benefit Corporation. Similar to B corporations, benefit corporations are legally required to consider the impact of their decisions on multiple stakeholders, not just shareholders. Impact investing. Impact investors allocate capital to businesses, organizations, and projects with the intention of generating positive social or environmental impact alongside financial returns. Shared value creation. This business model aims to create economic value while simultaneously addressing social and environmental challenges. Social enterprises. These organizations leverage business strategies to generate revenue while pursuing a social or environmental mission. Ethical consumerism. Consumers support businesses that align with their values, driving positive change through their purchasing decisions. Social innovation incubators. Incubators and accelerators provide support, mentorship, and resources to social entrepreneurs and startups focused on creating social impact. Green business models. These models prioritize environmental sustainability, such as renewable energy companies or businesses focused on reducing carbon emissions. Impact measurement and evaluation. Tools and methodologies used to assess the social and environmental impact of businesses and initiatives. Sustainable supply chains. These models focus on integrating sustainable practices and ethical considerations throughout the supply chain, ensuring responsible sourcing and production. Corporate social responsibility, CSR. Businesses incorporate CSR initiatives into their operations, addressing social and environmental issues through philanthropy, employee volunteer programs, and sustainability efforts. Social franchising. This model involves scaling successful social enterprises by replicating their business models and operations in different locations, maximizing their social impact. Summarization. In this MBA crash course on social entrepreneurship and sustainable business models, we explored the fundamental concepts and principles driving these fields. Social entrepreneurship combines entrepreneurial strategies with a mission to solve social challenges, exemplified by organizations like Grameen Bank and Tom's Shoes. Sustainable business models integrate economic, social, and environmental considerations, as seen in the practices of Patagonia and Interface. We discussed key elements and principles in both domains, such as stakeholder engagement, impact measurement, and the circular economy. Additionally, we highlighted the importance of collaboration, partnership, and innovation in creating sustainable change. Furthermore, we presented a list of the top 12 social entrepreneurship and sustainable business models, including B corporations, shared value creation, and ethical consumerism. These models exemplify how businesses can align their objectives with social and environmental goals, driving positive impact alongside financial success. Overall, this crash course serves as an introduction to the dynamic fields of social entrepreneurship and sustainable business models. It is essential to continue exploring and researching these topics, as they play a crucial role in shaping the future of business, society, and the environment. Poem. In a world where business thrives, social entrepreneurs dare to strive. They blend purpose with profit's gaze, creating change in myriad ways. From Grameen Bank to Tom's Stride, social impact serves as their guide. Microcredit empowering dreams. Shoes donated, poverty redeems. Patagonia weaves sustainability's thread. Through fair trade practices, they tread. Interface carpets, recycled and renewed. Business and ecology harmoniously imbued. B Corp and benefit corporations arise, balancing profit with societal ties. Impact investing channels resources vast, merging finance and social good, a contrast. Shared value creation, a path to explore, where profit and purpose are intertwined evermore. Social enterprises foster change with might, harnessing business as a force for what's right. Ethical consumerism, conscious and aware, supporting businesses with values to share. Incubators nurture innovation spark, supporting social entrepreneurs on their embark. Green business models, sustainability's claim, harnessing renewable energy's aim. CSR initiatives, corporate responsibility shines. Philanthropy and volunteerism intertwine. Supply chains transform to sustainable strands. From sourcing to production, ethical demands. Impact measurement guides actions bold, quantifying change, stories to be told. Franchising social ventures, expanding the reach. Scaling impact, communities to teach. With these models in mind, let us strive to create a world where businesses thrive, where profit and purpose intertwine, and social and environmental impact align. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335 is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.